Alrighty. Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday, November 16th, 10:01 a.m. And I am long ES. We are long ES here at 45.25.75. Okay. Our stop is 45.08 and our target is 45.34. So we're gonna see how this trade play out. And real quick, I'm gonna try to get this video out early as possible today, probably before 4:31. If anyone who use OBS, I need help. It's not allowing me to remux the video. If you know who use OBS, you will know what that means. It's not doing nothing. I put it in there, it say complete, and then I go and it's not showing up in my videos. So I don't know what to do. So if you have any tips, some suggestions, let me know. Next thing, I got a request to start showing balances. So I'll do that for you. I'm not going to show my personal account balance only because TradeStation shows the account number on my personal account. Anywho, you can start going to showing with my balance of the prop firm accounts. So even with the prop firm accounts, interesting update, I lose yesterday and then the video don't want to record. So anywho, don't want to remux rather, because I do have the footage. I just need help getting it right. So anywho, as for trade day, let's go to trade day. Again, we long ES right now. Okay, everything is loading now. All right, so I failed trade day evaluation again for the second time. And the reason why is I'm just over leveraging. Again, I don't use a trade copier, but I do the same trades in my trade day account as I do in my personal account, and I try to go 2-to-1 all or nothing on this. And trade day don't like them rules, them drawdown rules. So I'm in a situation where it's either I need to do 1-to-1 with the drawdown rules, or I need to pay for a higher valuation so I can get a higher daily trailing drawdown. For me to go 2-to-1. So my personal account, I lost literally $2,511 when I stopped out. On trade day, I lost the account. So again, it's my fault. I took the trade, but I figured I'll be okay. But that's why I really want to get the footage and show you guys the footage. So that's what trade day. So I did fail the evaluation for the second time, and it is the 16th. But again, I am going to come back to this. I'm not giving up. It's just I'm over leveraging. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to think about if I'm going to, again, pay for the 100K eval or just go 1-to-1. I don't know which one I'm going to do yet. As for Top Step, I don't know if you guys watch my community tab. Also, but with trade day, this what I was up. I was very close to passing it, but I was over leveraged, so it's no big deal. So this was a 50K account, and you need 2,500 to pass it. But I'm not stressing. I ain't tripping. As for Top Step, if you guys check out my community tab, I signed up for Top Step on a flash sale. I got this account for about $11. So it was a no-brainer. I just hopped up on it. I traded. This is my third day trading with Top Step. Yeah, 3 days. So, and with Top Step, I've been going 1-to-1. So this is why I'm thinking about just going 1-to-1 with trade day also and all this. But I do want to go for 2-to-1. I'm probably gonna go 1-to-1 with trade day and Top Step. I'll probably just keep it 2-to-1 in my personal account. Maybe that's what I'm leaning towards. I don't know for sure. But I also got to limit my maximum position size to like 2 or 3 contracts with trade day and Top Step. So I have to do that. As for Top Step though, I didn't lose the evaluation. They auto liquidated the account when my trailing drawdown was at $1,000, which is interesting. Again, when they did it, I was upset, but it kind of saved my account from what they did. But again, I take my stops and I take my target. So I've already fully accepted my stop, but it's outside of their parameters. So I just keep forgetting that. Like when I'm into trading, I'm just so used to trading my own personal money. I keep forgetting about these other rules, but I'm gonna lock in with all these rules. It's all gonna click eventually. But as for Top Step, I am trading on Top Step today. So here's my account with Top Step. I'm currently up 1395.60, and that's with yesterday's loss. My high on this account was 42.48.20. This is their little graph, so I need to hit this $3,000 profit target. I will hit it. I'm eventually. No rush. My average winning trade is $303, 72% win rate. Average losing trade is $545. My risk reward ratio is 1.18%. And as you can see, this is the trade that I lost on yesterday. Wait a minute. Yeah, yesterday here. $1,012. So with trade day, I had double the size. So again, I'm probably gonna keep it at minimum 3 contracts with trade day and Top Step, just so I don't keep hitting these stops, these trailing stops and these intraday stops. So that's that. So there's my Top Step balance, but I did lose the trade day account. So again, we are long ES here. We're gonna continue to watch. Our stop is 45.08. Our target is 45.34. Our entry is 45.25.75. And again, we're going to see how this trade play out.
Fulfilled.
Alrighty. So I've stopped out. I took my stop on that position. I don't like that way that candle closed. So I took that stop. My official stop wasn't hit, but I don't like the way that candle closed with the velocity it closed at. So again, I'm going to short this market at 45.0850 if we get there. Or we could just turn around and reverse back up. And I was just shaking out. I just don't like the way that specific candle closed. So again, if we break below this candle that just closed, if I enter, that means our downward move is confirmed. But again, I did take about an $800 loss on that trade. We'll tell you, $775 loss on that trade, which looked like maybe I was just completely shaken out. But again, sometimes that happens. I try not to move my stop, but I was very, very close to the end of the day, and I didn't want to hit that so early. So, hey, you got me. We're going to continue to monitor things and see how it goes. Our entry is 45.0975. Our stop is 45.20. And our target is 45.05. Okay? So we're going to see where this trade plays out.
Order filled.
Alrighty, we are all out on that trade. We're stopped out on that trade. 0 for 3 on the day. Today was not a good day. Just chopped around. Down $1,600. So we just gonna call it a day there. See you guys tomorrow. Great trade.